How to kill roaches quickly. Once you have roaches within your home, it is very difficult to get rid of roaches, unless you know the correct and natural at-home remedies. You can make your own roach recipes or even get a special pet to dispose of the pests for you. Before you kill roaches, talk with the neighbors first to see if they have this infestation. Chances are if they do, you will both need to get sprayed at the same time so the roaches won't come visit you. Remember, there are many ways to kill cockroaches naturally as well. To get rid of roaches, try buying a few geckos. Get a couple geckos in the house and let them loose. This may disturb you, but it is effective in killing roaches. They will quickly scurry to eat a roach if they see one around the house. Don't let your gecko stay unattended in the house, especially if you have a cat. Put your geckos back in the cage once you leave the house. To kill roaches, use boric acid. You can get a non-toxic brand called Roach Proof. The boric acid in this stuff kills roaches at 100. The acid will actually deteriorate the roach's body since it consumes the insect. Just add this wherever you see the roaches the most, but make sure you don't get it in contact with water or this method won't work. This powder needs to be completely dry. To kill cockroaches naturally, get diatomaceous, also known as diatomaceous earth, is a natural remedy used to kill roaches. It contains fossilized shells of minuscule which have organisms inside called diatoms. The sharp edges of the shells will impair the roach upon contact of the exoskeleton. The roach will die within a few hours of contact. For killing roaches, you can use roach balls. To make the roach killer ball recipe, you need to take 1 cup of borax, cup of sugar, chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix all the ingredients together, then gently roll it into a small ball. Put the balls into a plastic baggie and set them anywhere you see the roaches. The onion will attract the roaches, but make sure you keep all of them away from pets and children. Tips warnings. To get rid of roaches, you can use boric acid or roach balls. If you plan to kill cockroaches naturally, use D-dust.